Alright, so the furnace ain't working. We fired up. Let's see, we got our green light over there. It's calling for heat. Fan kicked on, my inducer. See my igniter starting to glow right here on my burners. There's my click for my gas valve to open. And we're not getting rid of this shit. And it's going to try 2 more times before it goes into lockout, do the retries, which is going to give me my 7 flashes on my air code. I'm making this video just because I ain't seen a lot of videos similar where they come to different conclusions, but at this point I'm thinking it's my gas valve. I've got my 2 wires here that run to my gas valve, and when I take a reading on them with the multimeter, I'm getting my 24 volts in the right sequence right when that click happens. Let's try number 2. I've already checked my flame sensor rod right here. There's a little carbon buildup on it. I went ahead and cleaned it, but that would only cause it to fail after ignition. If it lit and it does not sense the flame, that'll shut it down. So here we're going for try number 3. Igniter's glowing. Got a click. Click the gas valve, and we're still getting nothing. And here we go. We can see our 7 flashes. And shutting down. So here's my inlet gas pipe, and it's nice and dirty back here. And there's one of my shut-off valves for my pipe, so I'm going to shut the gas off. My disconnector right there, and I'm just going to make sure there's nothing blocking any gas from coming in. You know, that's another reason that would cause this if gas is not coming to the valve. But basically I am having a gas delivery problem here. So once I can confirm that I'm getting gas to the valve, then you know, that'll let me know it most likely is the valve, and then I'm pull these pipes apart and put the new one in. Alright, so I just went ahead and pulled out the hard pipes to let in, including the valve up to the burner. And get that sitting right here on the floor. And I'm gonna break the rest of these pipes, get them out. We'll get the new one ordered and get that in, and we'll continue the video there. Alright, so we got the pipes broken apart here. Got my valve off. And we're gonna replace that and see what we get. Alright, we're back the next day. Got the new valve. So my pipes, got my pipe dope, and we're gonna start putting these back together and get the install going. We got the new valve installed on the pipes. We're gonna put it in the furnace now and go from there. Alright, so got it back in the furnace there. So my burner's all lined up pretty good. My valve, got my wires back on. And my flex reconnected. And we're going to turn on the gas. Nice and slow. Make sure I don't hear any leaks. Okay. We got gas. fire it up. Alright, so the fan's kicking on. There's my igniter. And we've got ignition. So yep, it's definitely the gas valve. If you don't have pipe fitting experience, I'd recommend calling the pros, especially when you're dealing with gas. But the part cost about $190 after tax, and saved hundreds by DIY.